So we're huge coffee fiends, and we love good, strong coffee. So these Vias do the trick. Starbucks Vias, highly recommend. Took even Elliot out for a morning walk, and we have to say everyone was really good about obeying the leash requirement here, so that was really awesome to see. After lunch, took a little walk to check out the start of the Siphon Draw Trail. To completion takes you to the top of the mountain. All packed up, ready to go. Making everything is secure. As usual, someone has made her way into the front seats. This is a normal occurrence for her. We're all tied in. Tied in from the back. Elliot, you ready to go home? I'll say yes, he's ready.